In today's video I will walk you through how to find your Gate wallet address. If you want to deposit cryptocurrency into your Gate account, you'll first need to find your wallet address. Every supported cryptocurrency has its own deposit address, and using the correct one is essential to ensure your funds arrive safely. Once you're logged in, you're ready to locate your deposit wallet. From the home page, navigate to Deposit. Next, hover over to Onchain Deposit and tap it. You'll now see a search bar where you can choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. For example, you can search for Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, or any other supported coin. Be sure to select the exact cryptocurrency you plan to send. After selecting your cryptocurrency, Gate may ask you to choose a blockchain network. This is one of the most important steps. The network you select on Gate must exactly match the network you're sending from. Choosing the wrong network could result in delayed deposits or even permanent loss of your funds. Always double-check the network before proceeding. Once you've selected the correct network, Gate will generate your wallet address. You'll see a long string of letters and numbers, along with a QR code. Always remember to select the correct cryptocurrency, use the matching blockchain network, and double-check your wallet address before sending any funds. And that's how to find your Gate wallet address.